Thanks for joining the One Screen channel. Today we're going to focus on One Screen Touchscreen. This is the highest quality smart screen for your conference, board, and training rooms. Touchscreen is an unbeatable, interoperable, plug-and-play smart screen. And today we're going to focus on the hardware and the software applications that comprise this unit. Now, starting with the hardware, we have an original LG IPS LED panel in all of our screens. From there, we also include 4K resolution, heavy-duty, thick anti-glare glass surface, and 20 points of touch. Now, from an easy swipe from my finger, this allows me to transition right into our home screen. And from our home screen, you have the ability to get to any other input that you want to include. 3 HDMI inputs, VGA, and DisplayPort. On this side, we boast our Android 6 operating system. Inside this platform, we have YouTube, full-fledged Google Play Store, Chrome, our eShare product, and just to give you a quick taste, if I click on my Play Store, this is an area where you can download any kind of app that you want to on the Google Play Store world. Additionally, there's even a multi-user sign-in, so multiple people can actually access that. Now, on our eShare side, this is a perpetual license that allows you to use BYOD environment, bring your own device environments, and actually have tablets, smartphones, laptops, including Chromebooks, to stream wirelessly right up onto the screen. You can stream one device, 2, or even up to 4, all at the same time. And even as you're streaming, you have the ability with our built-in annotation tool to annotate right on top of that. So you actually can add some enhancement to when you're streaming wirelessly up onto the screen. Now from here, I can close out of this guy, and you'll see how easy it is for me to transition directly from Android right into Windows. So we're now back on our home screen. All I do is touch on that guy, and off our Windows goes. Now, in the touchscreen version, you have the ability to connect an external computer, Mac or PC, and you're going to connect that with both an HDMI and a USB cable. You're also going to get a downloadable copy of our One Screen Annotate software. This will allow you to do a lot of presentation enhancement and whiteboarding applications. So let's jump into some of the feature sets. I'm going to bring up a PowerPoint and go ahead and start this slideshow. Now from here, I have the ability to annotate right on top of this guy. So if I want to circle this, maybe make a little arrow, make a note, I can. The great part is we also have annotation tools right here. These are non-electronic and there's no batteries, so you don't have to worry about breaking or losing them, but it's a great utensil to have right on the screen as you want to go ahead and make some kind of note here otherwise. Mind you, we have all different kinds of pin colors. You don't have to physically worry about having pins or even changing pins at that point. All you do is tap on a color, and we even have highlighter pins that allow you to do additional applications for enhancement. Now, jumping out of here, I can scroll right through the PowerPoint just by the flick of a finger, and I can also then jump right into a whiteboarding tool. And now we can have a note or brainstorming session. So as an example, if I want to go ahead and take some quick notes, maybe make a list, anything of that nature, I can. The best part here is I have a scrolling capability that allows me to create a lot more space on this screen than you would have normally in a regular whiteboard. Additionally, I have some tools that as I were to write something in my own handwriting, it'll actually pop into text for me automatically. I also have what we call an intelligent pin, so as I draw any shape, it's going to recognize it. So for flow charting or for enhancement of a presentation, it's great to keep things nice and clean. Now remember, everything that you draw are things that you can manipulate and move. So at this point, if I want to make that circle bigger, smaller, if I want to turn it to more of an oval, I can. So there's a lot of options here for manipulation. On top of that, I also have the ability to pinch and zoom, just like you do on any other touchscreen device, so that way I can see everything that I've been working on. And another great tool set here is the ability to have multiple people drawing on the screen at one time. Now, everything that you're doing here on the screen is savable. So what you'll notice here is everything that we've already done is automatically saved. And I can then choose to either move these guys around or I can delete them. But more importantly, I have the ability to save it into one of many different file formats such as PDF, JPEG, and bitmap. Now, lastly, from an annotation standpoint, you have the ability to save these things also within the software's native file format. This allows you to come back to the document and edit the information and resave it so you can keep working on it, which is basically what we call our living document. A couple of other feature sets that we boast here is the ability to screen record anything that's going on the screen. So if I were to be writing something, not only will I have a static image, but I can also record that information. And we have a great cropping tool that allows you to crop any information from any document and bring it right into the software. Lastly, we have a phenomenal Google image search. This allows you to type in any word, phrase, person, place, or thing, and it's going to come up directly with imagery that you can now use during your presentation. So if I wanted to get an image of a touch screen, in this case a one screen, I can go ahead and bring it right onto the screen with us. And one last thing, You do have the ability to customize this annotation toolbar. So whether you want 3 or 30 tools on there, it's your choice. You can put them in whatever order you want. And the best part is each person that's going to use the screen can actually create their own profile. So everybody that's going to use it can actually have their own specific toolbar when they want to use it. And remember, ScreenTouchscreen comes standard with the full OneScreen robust software package, including collaboration tools like video and audio conferencing, interactive whiteboarding, screen sharing and controlling, annotating, polling, recording, saving, etc. All right here, ready to enable. Thanks so much for joining us. And as always, all of our OneScreen solutions include free, unlimited, on-demand Screen Skills Guru support and training via audio, video, chat, email, or phone.